so excited to be here today to introduce the newest, latest, and greatest to the products offering at Light Elegance, our Blink Tips. The reason that we call these Blink Tips is because you can get your service done in a blink. So the great thing about Blink Tips is if you have a client who just needs a set for a short period of time, maybe it's prom or a wedding, you can apply the Blink Tips using our award-winning JimmyGel system. Then you're able to soak them off and go back to doing natural nail manicures. Using 100-180 grit Lexi file, if necessary, shorten the natural nails, then remove any gel top coat and decoration from the nail. Be sure to file completely through the top coat and into the color. Saturate a cotton ball with acetone, place it on the nail, and wrap it with foil. After 7 to 10 minutes, check the status of product removal, beginning with the first nail wrapped. The product will be softened and easily removed. Shape and smooth the free edge with the Lexi file and use the LE Foamy to smooth the nail surface gently. Using LE Pro Cleanser and LE Pro Cleansing Wipes, cleanse the natural nails thoroughly.